discussing common system. Common system. Alkyl, alcohols. In common system, alcohols are named as alkyl alcohols. For example, here CH3OH. This is methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. One more example, CH3CH2OH. It is 1,2 ethyl alcohols. CH3CH2OH, propyl alcohol. CH3CH2OH, butyl alcohol. CH3HOH, isopropyl alcohol. CH3CH2OH, isobutyl alcohol. These are common names of alcohols. In this common system, alcohols are named as alkyl alcohols. For example, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol. These are example for alcohols in common system. Next, carbonyl system. Carbonyl system. In this system, the simplest monohydric alcohol, that is CH3OH, is called carbonyl. The simplest monohydric alcohol is called carbonyl. Means these all are alcohols are derivatives of carbonyls. For example, CH3 CH2OH, this is carbonyl, means here methyl carbonyl. Here CH3 CH2OH, this is ethyl carbonyl. And one more example, benzene, here CH2OH, this is phenyl carbonyl. CH3 CH2OH, this is isopropyl carbonyl. CH3CH2OH, dimethyl carbonyl. Here this group is carbonyl and this carbon containing 1,2 methyl groups. So we can write dimethyl carbonyl. And one more, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH, propyl carbinol. This is carbinol system. And next, IUPAC system. IUPAC system. In this system, alcohols are called alkanols. Alkanols. Here, alkane minus E plus OL gives to alkanol. What happens in this alkane is replaced by ol, then the formation alkanol. According to this system, alcohols are named as, for example, here hydroxyl group attached to methyl group. According to IUPAC system, this is called methanol. Methanol. Next example, CH3, CH2, OH, ethanol. Ethanol. CH3, CH2, CH2, OH, propanol. CH3, CH3H, CH2, OH, 2-methyl, naming 1, 2, 3, 2-methyl propane, 1-ol. This is nomenclature of alcohols. Now we are discussing examples of alcohols. Next class. Okay. Some examples of nomenclature. Here given some compounds. Now we write names. CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH3. In common system, secondary butyl alcohol. In carbonyl system, ethyl, methyl, carbinol. In IUPAC system, 1, 2, 3, 4, butane, 2-ol, butanol. And this compound in common system, tertiary butyl alcohol. In carbonyl system, trimethyl carbinol. In IUPAC system, 1, 2, 3, 2-methyl propane 2-ol. And next, this compound cyclopentyl in carbonyl system, cyclopentyl carbonyl. In IUPAC system, one cyclopentyl methanol. Next, this compound numbering starting from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now write 3-methyl pent 4-in 2-ol. And next, this one 1, 2, 3 prop 2-in 1-ol. Prop 2-in 1-ol. And this compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number starting from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 3-ethyl hexane 3-ol. And this one cyclobutane 1-ol. This is cyclohexane 1-ol. And next, this one 1-bromo 1-phenyl ethanol 1-ol. Next, this compound 1, 2, 3 numbering starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3-phenyl pentane 3-ol. And next, this compound 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the right way. Here 1 chloro propane 2-ol. These are examples for nomenclature of alcohol. First of all, we are discussing chain isomerism. Alcohols containing 4 or more carbon atoms exhibit chain isomerism, in which the isomers differ in the chain of carbon atoms. For example, here CH3, CH2, OH, CH3, CH2, OH. These compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the chain of carbon atoms. Where this carbon, for example, here 1, 2, 3, 4, here 1, 2, 3. This chain is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons containing chain, and this is 1, 2, 3, and one is branch. What happens here? Differ in the chain of carbon atoms. These two compounds showing chain isomerism. Next one is position isomerism. Position isomerism. In this, alcohols containing 3 or more carbon atoms exhibit position isomerism, in which isomers differ in the position of functional group, that is hydroxyl group. For example, here CH3, CH2, CH2, OH, CH3, CH, CH3. Here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In these compounds, hydroxyl group presented first carbon. In this compound, hydroxyl group presented second carbon. What happens here? Differs in the position of functional group. It is called position isomerism. And next one is functional isomerism. Functional isomerism. Alcohols containing 2 or more carbon atoms exhibit functional isomerism, in which isomers differ in the functional group. For example, here CH3, CH2, OH, and CH3, O, CH3. These two compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the functional group. This is here alcohol, and this is ether. Differ in the functional group are called functional isomerism. Always alcohols are functional isomers of ethers. And next one is, beside the structural isomerism, alcohols also showing optical isomerism. Alcohols containing chiral carbon atom exhibit optical isomerism. For example, here CH3, CH2, CH, OH, CH3. This carbon is chiral carbon. Due to here, chiral carbon means carbon containing 4 different groups. Here one is ethyl, one is methyl, one is hydroxyl, and one is hydrogen. This carbon containing 4 different groups. So this carbon is called chiral carbon. So this compound is showing optical isomerism. Here C2H5, CH3, OH, H, CH3, OH, H, C2H5. This is enantiomers. Next, C5H11, OH. It is also monohydric alcohol. It can have 8 isomeric structures. Now, the first one is CH3, CH2, 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 OH, 5, 6. This is pentane, pentane, 1 ol. Next, second one is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, OH, CH2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is pentane, pentane, 2 ol. And here this is primary carbon, this is secondary carbon. It is primary alcohol and this is secondary alcohol. Next, third one is CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3, here OH. Numbering starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Pentane, 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 3 ol. This is also secondary carbon. It is secondary alcohol. And next, fourth one is CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, OH. Numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 methyl, butane, butane, 1 ol. Next, fifth one CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 methyl, butane, 1 ol. Here this is also primary alcohol. And next, sixth one CH3, CH3, CH2, OH. Is numbering 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, dimethyl, propane, 1 ol. It is also primary alcohol. And seventh one is CH3, CH2, CH3, OH. Numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 2 methyl, butane, 2 ol. It is tertiary alcohol. And the last one is CH3, CH3, CH, OH and CH3. numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 methyl, 3 methyl, butane, 2 whole. This is secondary carbon atom, so it is secondary alcohol. In this 8 isomers, here in the 8 isomers here in this carbon containing chiral center. This carbon containing chiral center. And next one, this carbon also containing chiral center. That is also containing chiral center. And here also this carbon containing chiral center. So these 3 compounds are showing optical isomerism. These 8 are isomers of C5H11OH. Here C4H9OH. Total 7 isomers. 7 isomers. One is 4 alcohols plus 3 ethers. In C5H11OH, total 8 isomers. This is the isomerism of alcohols. Of alcohol, according to VSEPR theory, alcohols having tetrahedral geometry, alcohol structure, this is tetrahedral geometry according to on the basis of VSEPR theory. In the hydrogen group is attached to carbon atom, then the formation of sigma bond, and here sp3 hybridized orbital of oxygen with sp3 hybridized orbital of carbon overlapping to form sigma bond, and this bond length is 142 pm and this bond length is 96 pm. The bond angle in between COH 108.9. It is slightly less than tetrahedral angle due to repulsion between this unshared lone pair of electrons. This is